Welcome friends. Prime Minister Narendra Modi had attacked the Chinese plans of investing in Indian market by taking a strong decision taken ever by an Indian PM. According to the recent reports, India had banned the Chinese companies, private or any other individuals to invest in Indian companies or market by revising the laws of foreign direct investment FDI to save the common man of India getting dominated by the Chinese companies. This rule already there for the two countries, that is Pakistan and Bangladesh, but their investment in India is almost equal to zero and they need to take the permission before investing in the Indian market. This decision came after the China had increased the stake of 1% share in the HDFC Bank and made the intentions clear to occupy the major share of different companies. China started actually investing in different companies across the globe to increase the share of ownership by buying the shares which have went to very low prices due to the crash of stock market as an impact of coronavirus deadly pandemic. But America and Germany denied their companies not to buy any deal or share from the Chinese government, and India also following the same. And if China has sufficient foreign currency of $4 trillion to take or buy the shares of the different companies, then China will definitely become a global economic power of the different companies across the globe. And according to the Global Times, the Chinese newspaper earlier had reported that India will never agree to this and it may stop allowing Chinese companies to invest easily in Indian market. According to the Moody's report, the Indian growth of GDP falls down from 5.3% to 2.5% in the year of 2020 after the decision of lockdown had taken, and the inflation rate on the other side is also increasing at its own pace. Meanwhile, US had claimed that China had conducted the nuclear test also near Lopnur location very secretly, and now US had decided that it will no longer fund the WHO which is fighting against corona. Friends, I have a question to the viewers of this video, that do you think that China had deliberately created this deadly virus and made it spread across the globe such that it can become a stronger global financial power, economic power? Please comment below and thank you for liking this.